Alright, of course the annoying dogs next door are out. But hopefully this mic is working. I got it set up by my mouth here. So here's the new project. We're going to be converting this bad boy into a, what would you call it, like a toy hauler for the bikes. Basically, just going to have it to where it's going to be converted to a hard side. Okay, so we're getting rid of all this, which actually this looks like pretty in good condition for being a 97 camper, little unit. Keeping the roof, all right, gonna leave it extended up like this, then I'm gonna take all this off and basically build walls in here, and I was gonna plug it in. This actually has electrical in here, and it does work. I did test it out. Basically I just plugged this in, so I think this is gonna go out right there and plug in, but the problem is I'm actually gonna have to relocate this box. See, this box, I'm hoping I can just put it in the corner there, or maybe I want to like put a structure here like this anyway. It seems like it has pretty good solid bones, so take the top off obviously. Anyway, we'll figure that out, but this is just the intro to the plan here, to the idea. Turning this into a dirt bike hauler slash, you know, camper. So I'm thinking build the 4 walls around it, and then I'll have the truck doors in the back that swing open, and then we'll put the bike ramps up. I mean, it's only got to be up like a foot or so. Roll the bikes in, you know, get to the camp spot, park it up, roll the bikes out, roll the bikes out, fold the beds down, and like, you know, storage up here so the bikes can come up under it. We'll frame in the door right here, and then I already looked up, we'll put in some shed windows. And yeah, so here we are. I already started working on it. I'm taking these off, and I'm going to take all the canvas off, and then I'll start working on the back end there, seeing what I need to replace, and that's it. Oh, okay, hear me out. I just want to see what the hell this looks like. Oh, I know, this whole idea is crazy. I don't care. I want to see it. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. R.I.P. to a real one. Alright, I figured I should film an update since I have just been going all out while the old GoPro was charging. And it's pretty much boring stuff anyway. But, so you can see, well, we got power in here already. So I think I already went over that, but yeah. I will eventually be trying to relocate this, I think, to the corner. I think that's where the electrical comes in. I think it's all routed mostly in there. I'm not really sure. It looks like most of the wires go back there, and then these just come out for the outlets. So it looks like I'll be able to just hike that over here. Like I said, like all these wires go in there. I think all the wires go around that way to get to that outlet, and then obviously up to the light. So yeah, confirm that on video. Boom, we're gonna move that over to there. But anyway, general update. Yeah, there's no more tenty part. The canvas is out, and it looked pretty good for being from 1997. Don't think I'm gonna keep the cushions, but got some sweet little hardware here. These are the slide outs. I just took those off. This one, I had to remove this cabinet, which I don't feel like doing tonight. But I'm definitely gonna be replacing this top anyway, because you can tell it's kind of shabby. So that's the plan. Let me give you a better overview view. I just love that this turns on. So here it looks. Oh, and there's nothing wrong with a little bit of visualization. We measured it. It's like 8 feet from the inside of that wall to this wall. The bike with the wheel straight like it is, from the outermost part of the wheels, is like 7 feet. So we got plenty of room, and the plan is, you know, have shelving and storage come out only that far on this side as well, so we can fit up to 2 bikes in there. Maybe we can squeeze another in. Hell, maybe the pitter can squeeze into the doorway there. I don't know. And yeah, the doors will be here. Trying to think. That's pretty much, yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know if I want to put like more weight on one side or the other. I kind of want it to be more balanced. Like, I don't know. So like when I'm taking a corner, when I'm driving with this, I turn left, it reacts the same way as if I'm turning right. Obviously a little bit of weight difference didn't matter at all when it was flat, but so I think the bed's gonna fold out from the back. Next steps are gonna be try to get the rest of this crap off. Let's see, I want to replace all that black wood that's just completely rotted away. You see, I was already picking at it. So I'm gonna get all the rest of these off. I started over there, started on this side with the plastic things that hold these the canvas on. So remove those, then I'll remove these 2 pieces of wood. I'm gonna see if I can save the sides. All right, day 2, legit, like I bought it yesterday, and this is what it looks like now. All the where is it? There, all the canvas is all in there. It shows pretty dry rotted. So this looks pretty much where we left off. However, and yeah, I didn't like record any of this. Like, the whole time lapse thing, I don't really know how to set it up with this GoPro. I tried and it didn't work. So anyway, here we are. We had a mouse in the house, baby. Or as my Canadian friends would say, a moose in the hoose. I'm just playing, boys. Also, I hope this mic is working. So, yeah, this is exciting though. All this wood is pretty freaking rotted, so I'm actually gonna take these off and then make new ones, because I really want, like, I still want it to look like a pop-up camper. At this point, I might completely change my mind, but I mean, hell, it's already got the cutouts for the lights. Like, I'm gonna try to use this because it's sweet, and it just, I don't know, the vision is kind of weird to explain. But anywho, I really wanted to record this mostly so I didn't forget how to rewire these lights. It looks pretty straightforward. It looks like they just run a wire through for a ground and power, and they just tap into it because I think all these ones are just running lights. So those are just on, and then these are the parking, or I mean the brake lights and the turn signals. So, but it looks, yeah, I'm gonna have to probably write some of this stuff down because I don't know what goes to what off the top of my head. Yeah, and I know I want to keep these lights on. I think the hole is going to be cut here for the doors, so I'm just going to probably relocate these maybe? I don't know. Anyway, this is so I don't forget what's going on. But so far, this is day 2 progress. We've been out here for like an hour maybe, not even. But there it is. Alright, little update. We got all this crappy paneling off, and there's like a lot of gross, wet, weird, thin, stick-on wood shit that's going to be coming off. And then we're going to work on relocating that, or at least getting out of the way for now, so I can cut, measure, and yeah, make the appropriate cuts to get the doors in there. But anyway, here's the fun part: burning all the old crappy cabinet that we took out. Burning that. It's nothing like having a fire in the middle of winter, man. This is so warm. Oh my goodness, this is like, wow, this is hot, dude. I'm feeling it from right here. This is pretty nice because I wanted some sunlight in there, which we don't have any sunlight, but I like the daylight coming in there. I don't have any windows in the shop, so it's nice and bright in there, but so I don't have the heat on. No point. I'll just go and get out. So this is my heat right now. Look at that. Hoo 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 hoo. Hopefully that falls in like it's supposed to. Alright. That's on the update for now. We got it's just temped up now, but we pretty much have that. I measured it to be the width of the doors, but I cut it short, or I left these long. Like this is even long by like half an inch, and this is obviously long by a little more than an inch. It's just, you know, it's just temped up. I just want to see what it looks like. Maybe we'll get a bike in there later and see what it really looks like. But anyway, for now, this is where we're at. I really want to temp up the doors, just hold them up there and see how they look. But I'm not sure how I'll do that. But anyway, because I want that to give me an idea of what I got to do at the top. But anyway, yep, check it out. Boom. That's how we're loading bikes in. Look at that. Plenty of room. So I think next, that's probably as far as I'll go with that, because it looks really like we just need to start building. I got to reduce some wiring because the outside light, the cord isn't long enough. The outlet is right there, which I think I need to like put a junction box in so I can put the outlet on. I don't know, maybe I'll put the outlet over here. I don't know. Anyway, this is where we're at for now. We'll start building that up after we take care of these rotten pieces there and there. I think that's going to be where I end it today. Yeah, so we'll see how it looks after these are out. These are mega soft. Yeah, these are really soft. But I think it was really wet yesterday because it was all the ice was melting onto it. So hopefully it rips out of there a little easier today. But yeah, so we'll get back to work after lunch here. All right, I actually didn't do any work since the last video. I just went inside, ate lunch at like 2 o'clock, and then took a nap for a few hours. It was pretty excellent. I think my body and my mind were like, hey, dude, chill out, man. Like, you just went ham on this little project. That's enough for the weekend. But look what we have here. Thumbnail? I don't know. But then you can kind of see those doors right here. They're a little tall for my liking, but we'll make it work. I'm not too worried about that at all. All right. That's it.